Welcome to 30 Redstone Way Northeast. One of the great things about this property is you don't have to walk through long hallways to get to your apartment. You can park right out on the street and walk straight into your door, right to your unit. No hassles. And all these patios are south facing. It's going to be great for barbecuing in the evening. Okay, so I want to explain a little bit where this property is. When you're coming off Métis Trail and you come down 128th Avenue here, if you go south or to the right, you've got Skyview, and then take the left-hand turn on Redstone Street, and Redstone Way is just off of the first intersection. So, as you can probably understand already, is that you can walk over to the little shops over here, the Esso station, the convenience store. There's a little bit of a retail section here, a strip mall in here. So you've got some great access there, and you could just walk. And then if you want to walk down, of course it's right here in this bank of properties here, you can walk straight down the end of the street. You've got visitor parking down at the end of here, and all this street parking here. And then you can walk through this little park, little kids park down here, walk through right through here to get to the pathway that walks around the pond. So quite a nice little spot and a good little location. The building has really nice street appeal, and you're going to really like that short walk to that pond and to those amenities. So originally when this property was bought, this is how it was staged for the show home suite. So you can see it's ample space. It's got an eat-in kitchen, good room for a sofa and a chair, and maybe even a love seat. And this is a different cabinet color, of course, but you get the idea of the table, and you could even have a bigger table. We just chose that. And it's quite a cute place, and look at the bedroom size, it's huge. You could certainly do with this property. It's a great size for a single person, and it'll lay out quite well for you. Although the current owner has very sparse furniture, it's not hard to see that you can put a sofa, a love seat, and a coffee table with no problem whatsoever, and a little table in the kitchen area. Easy to maintain vinyl floor, and you won't be hot here in the summer as it's air conditioned. You'd probably have your TV above where her computer is. As you can see here, the kitchen shows just like new, with beautiful quartz counters and a really nice backsplash. All the appliances here are like new as well, like they've never been used, and everything here is included. And there really is a good sized pantry here to put all your necessary food stuff. There really is an ample sized bedroom here, and look, you've got room for a dresser as well as a full double closet here. Now, if you want to add a little desk in the room, you probably have room for that if you space things out a little bit differently. The bathroom is spacious, and it looks like new as well, hardly used. Quartz counters continue through here, and the vinyl floor. Never run out of hot water, as each unit has its own on-demand hot water heater system, which is also part of the heating system. You got your own in-suite laundry, and of course, all appliances are included.
Thank you for taking an interest in our client's home. I want you to have the best buying experience possible. Call us today and book your showing.